Good day everyone! Nandito naman po tayo sa panibagong video na kung saan sasagutan po natin itong data management tool, the Ungroup data. So, 2, 3, 4, 4, 12. Yan po ang ating set. So, kukunin po natin dito yung ating mean. Para po makuha ang ating mean, i-add lang po natin ito at saka po i-divide kung ilang variable sila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, i-add po natin to. 4 plus 12, 16. Plus 4 is 20. Plus 3 is 23. Plus 2, 25. Divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Kuha na natin. And then, pumunta naman tayo sa median. Sa ating median ay makikita po natin 5 po ito. So, ang nasa gitna po. So, 4. And then, sa ating mode, kung alin po yung pinakamaraming lumalabas, yan po ang ating mode. So, ang mode po natin dito, sa video na to, sa set natin, is 4. Alright. So, dumako na tayo dito sa ating table at hahanapin natin dito yung standard deviation, variance, at saka ang ating range. So, lagay natin dito yung x. Lagay natin dito yung x minus the mean. And dito naman po is x minus x and mean squared. Ayan na po. Lagay po natin dito sa x yung ating mga values. Itong 2, 3, 4, 4, and 12. 2, 3, 4, 4, and 12. Ayan na po. At saka, ang ating x is 2. 2 minus our mean is 5 is equal to negative 3. And then, 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 2. 4 minus 5 is equal to negative 1. 4 minus 5 is equal to negative 1. And then, last, 12 minus 5 is equal to positive 7 or 7. Pagdating naman po dito sa x minus mean squared, gagawin lang po natin yung sagot po dito sa x minus mean is i-squared lang po natin. So, negative 3, kandasan natin, squared is equivalent to 9. And then, negative 2 squared is equivalent to 4. And then, negative 1 squared is equivalent to 1. And then, negative 1 squared again is equivalent to 1. And then last, 7 squared is equivalent to 49. Diyan na po natin kukunin yung ating sa variance at saka standard deviation para masagot po natin. So, in total, the summation of x minus mean squared is equal to, add po natin lahat, 49 plus 1, 50. Plus 1 is 51. 50, 55, and then last but not the least is equivalent to 64. So, the next is kukunin na natin yung range, yung R. R is equal to high value minus the lower values. So, alin po dito ang pinakamataas? This is 12. Is equal, substitute, 12 minus 2, R is equal to 10. And then, punta naman po tayo sa variance. Squared is equal to the summation of x minus mean squared over n minus 1. Ayan na. Substitute the values. Ano po ang ating values? 64. So, 64 over 5 minus 1. So, a squared or the variance 64 over 4. Ayan na po. Pwede na po natin yung ma-solve. So, i-divide lang po natin. Divide lang po natin. 64 divided by 4. Mano-mano na lang kasi maliit na lang na number 1 times 4. Kahit nga po hindi na po ito solve, kayang-kaya na po ito makuha. So, 16. So, ang ating variance is 16. 16 po. So, ang kukunin naman po natin is ang ating standard derivation. So, S is equal to the square root of the summation of the quantity of x minus mean squared over n minus 1. So, S is equivalent to the square root of 64 over 4. Diniretso na po natin kasi paulit lang po. So, S is equal to the square root of 16. So, ang ating S or the standard deviation is 4. So, ito na po ang ating sagot dito. Dito na po tayo sa ating part 2 ng ating video or the data management 2. At ang solve po natin ngayon is the group data na po. So, meron tayong age and frequency. So, 5 to 14, 15 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, and 45 to 54. And then the frequency is 7, 15, 20, 5, and 8. So, lagay po natin sila dito sa table again. Age range 14 to 14, 16 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, and 45 to 54. So sa frequency is lagay lang natin yung 7, 15, 20, 5, and 8. Ang total po nila is n is equal to 55. So 13, 33, 48, and 54. 55 pala, sorry. So, the boundaries, add this 2 and divided by 2. So, 15 plus 14 over 2 is equal to 29 over 2 or 14.5. Next, ilagay natin dito is 14.5. So, ilagay natin ang arrow. So, ito naman na 25 and 24. So, 25 plus 24 over 2 equal to 49 over 2 is equal to 24.5. So, 24.5. Ang gagawin lang po natin since the range is 10, add lang po natin sa 10. And so, magiging 24.5 to 34.5. Baba ulit natin. 35.5 to 44.5, and then 44.5 to 54.5, and dito minus 10 lang natin is equal to 4.5 to 14.5. So nakuha na natin ang ating mga boundaries. So para makuha ang ating range, need to do is R is equal to lower boundaries and minus to upper to boundaries to lower boundaries. So it's equal to 54.5 minus 4.5. So our range is equivalent to 50. So gumawa ako dito ng table para sa ating pag-solve ng group data para makuha natin yung standard deviation, variance, and the mean. So let's start. Para makuha po natin yung x, i-add lang po natin itong dalawa at saka yung sa age, ito, i-add lang po natin, saka i-divide sa 2. So 5 plus 14 is equal to 19 divided by 2. The answer is 9.5. Just continue the process. 15 plus 24 is equal to 39 divided by 2. So 19.5. So as we can see, may pattern po siya. Add 10 lang po. So gawin natin. 29.5. So double check again. 25 plus 34 divided by 2, 29.5. So tama naman po yung pattern. So para double check again, umawit kayo ng scientific calculator or simple calculator lang sa pagkuha ng x. Plus 44 equal to 79 divided by 2. So 39.5. And then let's continue the process. Divided by 2. So 49.5. So paano ba para sunod natin makuha natin yung mean, kailangan natin itong i-times na dalawa. So 7 times 9.5 is equal to 66.5. 66.5. So again, hindi natin yung 55 para tayo ma-kapan. Continue the process. The next answer is 292.5 and 590, 197.5, and then 360 or 390. Sorry for that. 396. Kung gusto nyo ma-check, please check nyo na lang po. So, try natin. Tama naman po. So, i-add natin itong lahat para magamit natin sa solution para makuha natin yung mean. So, i-add natin lahat. 66.5 plus 292.5 plus 590 plus 197.5 plus 396. So, ayan na po. Ang sagot is 1,542.5. So, gagamitin po natin yan para makuha po ang ating x. Ito. So, para mangyari po yon, x or the mean is equal to, ang tawag po dito is the summation of f and mean. F and or f and x. So, ito po yun. Summation of f and x over ang ating n. So, this is equal to 1542.5 over is 55. So, input natin sa calculator 1542 over 55. And the answer is 28.04 equal to 28.04545, so on. So, or pwede naman po natin itong ilagay na 28.05. So ayan na po, meron na po tayong mean. 28.05, wala po, 28.05, 28.05, 28.05, 28.05. So, paano ba natin ito makuha? I-minus lang po natin yung x sa mean. So, 7 minus ay 9.5 minus 28.05 is equal to negative 18.55. Continue the process. 19.5 minus 28.05 is equivalent to 8 to negative 8.55. Just continue. 29.5 minus 28.05 is equivalent to 1.45, positive 1.45, and then 39.5 minus 28.05 is equivalent to 11.45. And then 49.5 minus 28.05 is equivalent to 21.45. So, ayan na po, nakuha na natin. Ang gagawin naman po natin, i-squared po natin yung sagot. So, squared po natin yung negative 18.55. Ang sagot po niyan is 344.10. 344.10. Continue the process. Negative 8.55 squared is equivalent to 73.10. Then 1.45 squared is equivalent to 2.10. Squared again natin ang 11.45 is equivalent to 131.10. Squared again natin yung 21.45. Equivalent niya is 460.10. So, ang huling proseso nito ay i-multiply natin yung f dito. So, ito na. So, multiply natin yung 7 times 344.10. And the answer is 2,408.7. 2,408.7. Continue ang proseso. Gawin ng paulit-ulit. 15 times 73.10. So, 1,096.5. 1,096.5. And then 2.10. 2.10 times 20 is equivalent to 42. Again, 131.10 times sa ating 5. So, 655.5. 655.5. And then last, 460.10 times 8. So, 3,680. 3,680.8. Yan po ang ating sagot. Ang gagawin naman po natin dito ay i-add natin lahat. Add natin to sa calculator natin. $2,408.7 plus 1,096.5 plus 42 plus 655.5 plus 3,680.8 is equivalent to 7,883.5. 7,083.5. Yan po ang ating sagot. So, yan po ang ating the summation of x minus x squared. Yan. Yan na po ang ating sagot. So, pumunta na po tayo sa ating variance para makuha po natin. Ang formula po for variance as squared equivalent is equal to the summation of f and the quantity of x minus mean squared over n minus 1. Replace the value. So, ano lang natin? S squared is equivalent to, ang value natin dito, 7,883. 7,883.5 over. Anong over natin? Is 55 minus 1. So, dito na lang natin. Is equal to 783.5 over 54. Lagay natin sa calculator. 7,883.5 over 54. And the answer is 145.99. 145.99. So, ayan po ang ating variance. So, ang next po natin is yung standard deviation. Standard deviation, the formula is the exponent of the square root of the summation of f and the quantity of x minus mean squared over n minus 1. So, replace the value. S is equivalent to the square root of 783.5 over ang ating 54 na. Diretso na po. Is equivalent to the square root of 145.99. So, lagay natin yan sa ating calculator. So, the square root of 145.99 is 12.08. 12.08. So, ayan po ang ating standard deviation. So, nakuha na po natin gamit ang ating matematika. Maraming salamat po.